welcome to Module 5. This week we're focusing on data ethics in modern health and human performance research, which basically means we're going beyond, did you store your data safely? And stepping into, what on earth is your technology doing with your data when you're not looking? In the digital world, responsible data management now includes understanding how AI systems behave, how biometric data is collected, and how secondary data sets travel across platforms and projects, sometimes with more enthusiasm than was intended. So let's walk through the major topics we're going to encounter this week. First, AI and algorithmic bias. AI tools are powerful, but they can also replicate biases from their training data without so much as a polite warning. As a researcher, you'll explore whether algorithms perform differently across populations, whether automated decisions could skew your findings, and how transparent you need to be when AI is a part of the process. Spoiler alert, more transparent than you think. Second, big data and secondary data use. Large data sets from apps, wearables, and performance platforms are often reused for new studies. And that's great, unless participants never consented to those extra analyses. We'll consider identifiability, transparency, and responsibles when using data you didn't collect yourself. Third, biometric surveillance. HHP research collects deeply personal information like movement patterns, heart signals, facial expressions, and GPS trails. These data aren't just numbers. They can reveal identity, risk factors, and private behaviors. This week, you will examine how to collect these data ethically without making participants feel like they are living in a sci-fi monitoring chamber. Fourth, data ownership in sports performance technology. Wearables and team-based analytics performs and captures tons of data, but who owns it? The athlete, the researcher, the vendor? The answer is rarely simple. And this week, we will explore why ownership needs to be clarified early and clearly. And finally, open science and reproducibility. Openness promotes transparency, but not all data is meant to be shared, especially biometric or highly identifiable data. You'll consider how to balance these competing values of responsibility. Now here's the important update for an assignment. For Module 5, Assignment 5, you will include one clearly labeled subsection on one emerging data issue we just covered. No extra pages, no extra files, just thoughtful integration into the existing essay. If you are unsure which emerging issue aligns best with your topic, let me know. I'm happy to help. Thanks for diving into another important aspect of ethical research.